where he took the Black Book of the Dead from its holy resting place. Anck-su-namun's soul had been sent to the dark underworld, her vital organs removed and placed in 5 sacred canopic jars.
You know what I'm saying? That's how niggas moving around with briefcases and shit in Vegas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, now we over here. Yeah. We over here now. Feel me? Yeah, tell them niggas to move over. Or else. That's right, I mean. They ain't gotta leave the city. They just gotta get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Clicking and curb, serving dirty blocks, fiends tweaking. Niggas geeking off of opioids with murder plots. Moving through the city undetected. I'm all about guns, ones, and property. Sex in my neck's necklace. Reckless, doing dirt. All my niggas is burnt, selfish. All we do is smoke, fight, sell shit. Black Fonzie, scheming on you like a Ponzi. A Barbara Gandhi, sorry Blondie, but it's a gangster party. Triple and beam, let's get to the cream. The shit that I've seen will make a nigga piss in his jeans. The price is death if you test my honor. My life is so real, shit is basically snitching if I kept it honest. Not trying to have them boys peeping, being suspicious, so I keep it fictitious. Till it's a motion picture. Coast is clearer when it's smoking mirrors. And I'm so sincere to all my haters and co-conspirators. Pharaoh chain, medallion, and Don shit. It ain't nothing but a complex. To all the crooks and convicts, to all the young niggas out there that's on shit.